Nara here again with Fathom Realty. I am the Lorton real estate agent, and this interview is today with Tony Reid. He has offices here right in Lorton Station. If you drive on Lorton Station Boulevard, you'll see the building that says the agency on it, right?
Yes, yes.
And that's where Tony's office is. So I'm going to let Tony introduce himself and tell us a little bit about his business here.
Yes, good afternoon, and thank you first of all, thank you so much for taking the time out to talk to me this afternoon.
Welcome.
I am the regional sales manager for Mid-Island Mortgage Corp. We are headquartered in Long Island, New York. We've been around since 1959, so we have been a part of the mortgage landscape nationally for in excess of 50 years. More recently, 2 years ago, we opened up the office here in Lorton. We wanted to have a retail presence in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area, and I lived in the Lorton Fairfax Station area since 1990, and have obviously an affection for this area, and I thought that that our company could benefit, but more so that we could provide a service to the residents of Lorton.
That's
and
wonderful.
So we made the choice to open up our first office in Virginia here in Lorton.
Oh, so right now is the only office you have in Virginia?
In Virginia.
That's now in Lorton?
And
you're hoping
yes.
to open more, hopefully?
Yes, we have plans for future offices around the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area, but we made the decision to start here in Lorton.
Well, let me ask you this. As a real estate agent, I get this question all the time. What is the difference between mortgage broker and mortgage lender?
Very important distinction.
Because I know you're a lender.
Yes.
And when I said, are you a mortgage broker? He said, no, we're a lender. So explain.
As a lender, we are the ones with the money.
So you're lending your money.
We are lending our money to the borrower. We do not have to go out and seek a source of funding for the borrower. That's what a broker would do.
But that translates for the borrower into what? Lower fees, lower rate? What is the benefit for a buyer to work with a lender versus a broker?
Well, for one, should be and with us, you have better fees. You know who you're working with, who your lender is going to be. In our instance, we service about 90-95% of our loans.
In case you don't know, that's a very good ratio.
Yeah, and so that means we're the ones to whom you will be making your payments every month.
And calling with questions.
If there are any questions, you will reach out to us. We like to say, and I'm sure you've heard this before, we want to be your lender for life, and we want to take care of all of your mortgage needs. And in today's climate, I'm sure there are a lot of questions that folks have.
Oh, yes.
How are the recent tax changes affecting us, or how will it affect me as a homeowner? So we, as a lender, we are here. We are seeking to form that partnership with our borrowers for life, and we want to be the ones to answer the questions.
Right, so that when the buyer actually becomes a homeowner, they can pick up the phone and call you with whatever questions they may have afterwards.
Right, absolutely.
I think that's the only way to do business nowadays.
Yeah, well, that's the preferable way. That's the way I have my personal mortgage, with a lender. Now, I am not suggesting that brokers are by any means bad. Not at all. because the brokers who bring the loans to us seeking funding from us. So we do provide that service to brokers also. But why deal with the middleman if you can come directly to us and get that service?
Well, thank you. And let me ask you about the area. So you said that you have affection for the area. What do you like about the area? Is there anything you want to mention?
Yeah. I first moved to this area in 1990.
Barrington.
To the Barrington, and was totally different.
Yeah.
Than what we.
I hear that this used to be a second home area, that people from DC would have their second homes here. And I know that 123 was a one-lane road at that point.
Yes, and as a matter of fact, the first time I came to the area was I had practiced law for 17 years in the area. And
so you had something to do with jail.
Yeah, Lord.
Again, jail.
So I had I would visit some of my clients at the jail, and but then when I decided to buy a home out here, I remember driving on 123, and it took forever.
Oh yes, I can
forever to get there. My wife and I at the time, we were like, do we really want to? But it turned out to be the best decision that I made. I love the area, and I've seen it grow tremendously, and so the diversity, that you have in this area, as well as Fairfax County in general, is fantastic, and the schools. My kids went to Silverbrook Elementary, and then my one daughter graduated from Hayfield, and then my second daughter, Samantha, she was a member of the first graduating class to go straight through at South County. Yeah, so I definitely have seen this area grow and it's blossom
still growing with the new construction on Silverbrook, with the Liberty. It's still growing. The jail is now up and coming with the workhouse and those new houses and condos and shopping center. And I want to know what grocery store is coming. I want to know what grocery store is coming. So, but thank you so much. I think and the main thing, guys. So Tony is going to tell us what type of incentive he offers to anybody watching this interview. So when you call Tony, if you know anybody or if you need to talk about refi or purchasing another house, give Tony a call, and I'm going to let you talk about the incentive, but mention Parkbench or interview. And Tony will?
Yes, you will receive $500 lender credit to go towards your closing costs, discount on your origination fees. Once you mention
and that $500 will cover your appraisal fee. That I know for sure.
Yes.
So that's good.
Like I said, no matter what your mortgage needs are, whether you're looking to purchase or refinance, whether you're looking for a cash out, to take some cash out, or
you do HELOCs?
We don't do HELOCs.
Okay.
We do cash out refis.
Okay.
You know, HELOCs with the recent tax changes.
It doesn't make sense anymore.
The interest is
no
no
write it
longer
off anymore.
Right.
Okay,
So it makes it would make more sense for a borrower to just do a cash out refi. That way they can get the benefits of any tax deduction.
Okay.
So now we have a fantastic product that I must tell you about. It's our renovation loan.
Uh-huh.
And now, with the advent of all of these shows, you know, these home improvement shows, we have the FHA 203K and also conventional product.
What about VA?
And we do have VAs. Yeah.
Renovation?
No, not
No,
VA.
just VA loan.
We do have VA loans, but not VA renovation
Gotcha.
as yet.
Well, and let me do this, because not a lot of viewers will be interested in particular financing programs that we may have. We will leave the conversation about the types of loans that you do for a separate interview.
Okay.
I would love to have that recorded. Actually, we may actually do it right now, but for a different venue. So if you are interested in programs that we're going to be talking about in a minute, please check out my website. I will post it there, or go onto my Facebook page. I will post it there, or simply contact me and I will point you in the direction where that interview is. And for the Parkbench, I think we're gonna finish on this note.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you for taking the time and talking to us.
You are very welcome.
I'm hoping that people, you know, let's shop local and call, you know, our local businesses first. If we do need whatever, right?
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you.